wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pocket drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the slim design and fold-away rotor arms of the Goolrc T47 make it exceptionally handy for snapping pictures on the go. It includes a beauty mode that enables you to apply filters and effects to your photos. It comes with 6-axis gyro stabilization and an intuitive gravity sensor control. However, its battery life is short. At number 9, piloting the UDI U34W Dragonfly is about as easy as remote-controlled flying gets. The compact but durable airframe can withstand crash landings, and you can program customized flight paths for it to follow on your smartphone. It's an agile and responsive design with a VR-compatible 720p HD camera, but it doesn't have any GPS capabilities. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Emax tinyhawk 2 RTF kit includes everything you need to get started, including a set of VR goggles and a carrying case, along with the device itself. This tiny racer can exceed 35 miles per hour, but it's tough enough to withstand high-velocity impacts. It's equipped with 2 speed modes and is extremely lightweight, but you get only 3 to 4 minutes of flight time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Pocket Drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with a lightweight body and a slim profile that can unfold in less than 3 seconds, the Parrot PF728,000 anafi is surprisingly portable given the power it packs. One of its most exciting features is the rotating camera that can capture a full 180 degrees. It boasts a lossless digital zoom lens, but it is among the more expensive options, and it lacks obstacle detection. Moving up our list to number 6. If you or your kids want to practice with a model that's not too pricey, give the Holy Stone HS450 Mini a try. It has a number of beginner-friendly features, from collision-avoiding sensors to protective rotor cages. It doesn't have a camera though. It includes a smart orientation mode and can perform flips and rolls, and you can control it with hand gestures too. Halfway up our list at number 5. At a little under 250 grams, the DJI Mavic Mini weighs less than a typical smartphone and can stay in the air for 30 minutes at a stretch, putting most models of a similar size to shame. Its camera is no slouch either, capable of capturing 12 megapixel images and 2.7K video. It offers programmable flight paths, an automated return function, and a top speed of over 25 miles per hour. At number 4, as fun to fly as it is inexpensive, the Holy Stone HS190 can pull off aerial acrobatics and entertaining stunts with ease. With its foldable design and compact controller, it can be tucked into a cargo pouch to accompany pilots wherever they roam. It includes an automatic return-to-home capability, an altitude hold function, and propeller guards. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the foldable propeller arms on the Drocon Ninja tuck away snugly between outings, reducing the risk of damage while you're carrying it, and its 120-degree wide-angle camera lens and autonomous flight modes enable it to capture panoramic aerial views. This is a beginner-friendly design with a gravity-sensing operation, and you can control it with a smartphone. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Pocket Drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Ruko F11 Pro is among the best in its class for aerial video recording, with a strong GPS signal and the ability to stream footage from up to 500 meters. Its point of interest feature will capture a panoramic 360-degree sweep around a chosen target. It boasts one-key takeoff and landing, position and altitude anchoring, and automated tracking shots. And taking the top spot on our list, boasting a top speed of 42 miles per hour and a number of useful AI features, the DJI Mavic Air 2 fits in the palm of your hand and can make smart positional adjustments to maintain its stability for steady shots, even in moderately strong winds. It offers high-resolution live streaming, an excellent image quality, and multi-directional environment sensors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Pocket Drones, or simply click beneath this video.